So finally we are getting answers for some of the most asked questions. So all Jujutsu Kaisen fans were talking about Yuji Itadori's parents, and finally his parents are going to be revealed. So Chozo was saying that Yuji is his brother, but everyone was thinking that Chozo is saying it because something happened with his memories and he started believing that Yuji is his younger brother. But now it looks like Chozo was right and Yuji is actually his younger brother. So now I will explain everything. So right now there are some leaks, and according to them Yuji Itadori saw his parents when he was in coma or when he was unconscious, and he saw his mother, father and grandfather. Nothing was special about his father and grandfather, but Yuji Itadori's mother had stitches on her forehead, and I guess I don't need to tell you what that means. So his mother had stitches like Kamo Noritoshi and Suguru Gato, which means she was being manipulated by that brain thing. And it's possible that Yuji got his incredible physical strength and his abilities to control Sukuna within his body because of that brain. So technically Yuji is like Chozo and his brothers, and that's why Chozo believes that Yuji is one of his younger brothers, and Chozo even said to Yuji that one of Yuji's parents had stitches on his head. At first, even I was thinking that Chozo is saying it because his memories were manipulated, but now I realize he was right. Chozo knew it. Chozo knew about Yuji's parents from the beginning. Not from the beginning, from the moment when he realized that Yuji is his brother. So the brain thing is Yuji's mother, and it looks like the brain planned everything from beginning. I still don't know from how long he's been planning things, but all the things that happened with Yuji were planned. Like he knew Yuji is going to consume Sukuna's finger, that's why he gave Yuji Itadori a strong body. Or maybe Yuji was created by that brain for this specific reason. But even after knowing that Yuji's mother was actually controlled by that brain, we still don't know what that brain wants and what is his true goal. Sometimes I think he only wants to revive Sukuna. I don't know why, but I think it's not going to be that straightforward and simple. There has to be something that will surprise us again. But for now I guess we know who was Yuji's mother, and I hope soon some more interesting things will be revealed. So that's all for this video, and if you guys enjoyed it, you can subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So that's all, and thanks for watching.